There's one. He was so small, he barely got the hooks in him. All right, buddy. All right, come on, settle down. There we go. Oh, fish handling etiquette 101. All right. Thanks, old fella. There's one. Yes, sir. Good morning. All right, I gotcha. Get you off that dock. There we go. Right to the top of the lip. Solid fish. All right. Thank you. See you again. There's one. Hat trick. So again, guys, right up through the top of the mouth. Falls out. That's why you keep pressure on them. Again, not a giant, but another quality fish on the boomer. You know what? Just a little adjustment on the hook, and that thing's ready to fish again. Alright, tackleheads, I'm calling my shot. I'm going to catch one right on the outside of that log. I'm going to go across that corner. I'm going to hug the edge of that log, and there's going to be one sitting right next to it. Here we go. Called it. Called it. Absolutely called the shot. Oh, let's go. All right. That was pretty fun. Nice fish. Once again, the boomer's right in the roof of the mouth. And then no worse for the wear. Nice healthy fish. Get a good release here. Thank you, darling. And I'll say it one more time. I called it. Alright, let's see how the boomer's holding up. Caught 4 fish on it today. Missing an eyeball. But it's good to go. Ready to get in there and catch another one.